Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. In today's video, we are going to learn some idioms and that will definitely going to help you in your practical life, in your professional life. So stay connected and watch the full video. The first idiom that we will going to learn is at the helm, which means in charge of an organization. When somebody is at the helm, it means that he is on the big position or he is in charge of an organization. Take the helm, complete control of authority, which means also a kind of same thing when somebody is in charge of a place. So he must have the authority or control of all the things. So take the helm is also a kind of at the helm position. At its helm, at the peak of something. When somebody is at its helm, which means that he's at the peak of success or maybe he's at the peak of sadness. So we can say that he's at its helm because he is getting more and more money or he's upgrading his position. We can use this idiom in this way. Blind spot, ignorant or biased about something or someone. When somebody is trying to ignore someone because maybe they believe that something is not true or not cannot be true, so we can consider it as a blind spot. Backhanded compliment or left-handed compliment, it is something like when somebody is trying to admire you but in a sarcastic way, or they might define the positive side but they also share with you that a kind of bad thing about yourself, or it also considered as an insult. Big gun, a powerful person. When somebody has power, so we can say that he is the big gun or she's the big gun. Blind impulse, sudden desire to do something. When you have a sudden desire or you want to do something, but it comes suddenly, so we say that blind impulse. Like I want to take coffee or drink. I want to take the juice. So we can say that it's a blind impulse because it's a sudden desire. Brownie points. Praise or appreciate someone for his service. When you appreciate someone for his service, you can say that I have given him the brownie points. Buckle down. Make sure something stays in place. I have handled all the situation and tried to buckle down all the projects. And for example, I have tried to finish all the projects by buckling down all the things. Bullseye, the center of a target. When somebody is correct about something, which means he has shared his bullseye, the center of a target. Back to the wall. To be in difficult situation. When somebody is in difficult situation, whether it's about financial or something else, so we can say that he is back to the wall or he is suffering from something like big mouth. Someone who talks too much. When somebody talks too much, or we can say talkative or garrulous or loquacious, so which means that we are saying that he has the big mouth or she has the big mouth. By hook or by crook, at any condition. I have to win the match by hook or by crook. At any condition you have to win the match, otherwise it will be quite insulting for you. So these are some of the idioms that I wanted to share with you. I hope you will like this video. Stay